Ito nung nalaglag kasi yung cellphone ko. Ito yung case ko. Naka-case na ganito. Pag saktong nalaglag sa bulsa ko. Ayan. Diyan. Ayan. Yan. Ano dyan. Muntik na kung basag dapat yan. So ngayon, bumili ako nito. Ito. Atomic3 ng GHOSTEK. Tingnan natin yung loob.
Hello agents, I'm your Mission Coordinator X. By now you have received your GHOSTEK Atomic3 case for your iPhone 7. This is the most important piece of equipment in your arsenal. Listen carefully, these are your instructions. Thoroughly clean your phone screen. Open the charge port buckle located at the bottom. Remove the screen cover and inspect for cleanliness. Reattach the screen by pressing firmly around the rubber edge. Close the charge port buckle securely. Input the case into a water-filled container to test the waterproof seal. Hold for 10 minutes. Remove, dry thoroughly, and reopen the case. If the inside is wet, contact headquarters immediately. If dry, insert your device screen up and align it to the frame left to right. Reattach the screen protector by pressing around the rubber edge. Turn the silencer switch to activate the mute button. Your GHOSTEK Atomic3 case is IP68 waterproof rated. Report any issues back to HQ. Return in one piece, agent. We need you. This is your Atomic3 debrief. X signing off.
Ganda sana yung case natin. Kaso pag nalaglag, hindi pala safe. Saka kailangan ko ng waterproof pa.